Hi, I'm Kieran Harris and I work for Action Coach. My professional background spans over 25 years, a mixture of coaching as well as corporate senior leadership responsibilities, working in the fast-moving consumer goods, the retail, manufacturing and food industries. I was looking for a new opportunity to come out of corporate because I, I wanted to feel as though I had autonomy over my decision making. I wanted to be able to support and grow people. I've always had a passion to support and help and coach. And I felt as though the best way to do that was to actually come out of corporate and venture into my own business. So Action Coach stood out to me because of the people that I knew that were already involved with Action Coach, the passion, the pride that they had around Action Coach, and the success they've had has been really attractive for me. So I see Action Coach helping me to achieve my goals and dreams due to the tools and the systems that they have in place. It will allow me to build and grow my business and support my family in the long term to help them prosper and be successful. My biggest BFO across the 10 days here at Vegas is if you're willing to put the effort in, you're willing to be committed, you're willing to re-educate yourself, then success will follow. I'm excited to get into the local region that I actually reside in and actually spread the word around Action Coach, build the brand, build the reputation and build the excitement of what Action Coach actually can deliver. If I was talking to somebody looking to join Action Coach, I would say to them, do the due diligence, be prepared, be committed, work hard and enjoy the ride.